Hello. It's been about a week since we put windshield washer fluid in the rear tires on our tractor, and there's a couple of things I'd like to add to the video I made. Would I do it this way again with the garden sprayer? Absolutely. Now that I know what to expect, and as long as you take a few precautions, it should go very smoothly for you. I would certainly wouldn't attempt this without access to an air compressor, and I'd take a ratchet strap and I'd put it on the wheel, just have it ready in case you need it. If the bead starts to leak a little bit of fluid, you'll be ready, and you can cinch it up a little bit just to reduce the leaking. And I'd probably put a tray underneath the wheel in case there are some dribbles. But this worked very well. I can put 2 gallons in very quickly, and then you relieve the pressure, and you can open it up, put another 2 gallons in, and it went quite well. The nice thing too about this method is once you're full and you relieve the pressure, you can tell when you're full because fluid will come out of the tube back into the jug, and so you don't lose anything. And then you put your little valve back in the valve stem, and you pump it up to whatever pressure you need in the tire with air. But yeah, I'd go this route again. And we've got 400 hours on the tractor without fluid, and I've only got about 4 or 5 hours on the tractor with fluid, but already I'm noticing a remarkable difference. I've got more traction, and the tractor just rides differently. It almost feels like you're on rails. I have more confidence in the tractor, and I wish I had done this a long time ago. But if this is something that you'd like to do, I'm hoping that my video and the one I made previously could help. Take care.